George, against your former club, a 5th clean sheet and 3 outstanding saves.
Well, yeah, I'm here to make saves. It's kind of my job, really. I just take them as it comes. To be honest, this season I haven't had to make too many saves, so this is one of the first games where I've actually been tested a bit. Credit to the boys in the defence. They're usually tight enough that I don't have to deal with much, but I had to deal with a few today and I gladly kept them out of the net.
John, a point apiece, but did Connah's Cei deserve more?
Probably on the second half performance, yeah. I think if you'd have clipped the first half, it wouldn't have made many highlight reels. But the first half has to come for the second half to happen because we move the ball really well and we do create opportunities. It's the sort of the final bit that we need to keep making sure that we keep working on, the final bit that we keep finalising, and I think it's going to come because I'm really happy with how the lads played today. I couldn't ask for anything more other than a goal.
Steve, a 5th draw of the season, a 5th clean sheet. Happy with the result?
Yeah, in terms of how the game panned out, I'll take a point. Connah's Cei didn't really create a lot first half. The second half, they sort of upped the tempo a little bit and sort of they had a spell where, we were under pressure, but we showed good resilience and found a way to get a point.
Yes, your former goalkeeper frustrated you today. He made 3 outstanding saves.
Yeah, well, we all know what George is about. He's a very good goalkeeper. He's a top goalkeeper, in fact, especially for this level. Things didn't pay out with George last year as what he might have liked of, what the club might have liked of. But what I will say is he's a very, very good goalkeeper. He's a really good lad as well. So yeah, just had a bit of a laugh going off there. So he's made a couple of good saves, and that's what he's there to do, isn't he? So yeah, really good goalkeeper. I think we can be a little bit more clinical and put it away from him. But again, that's me nitpicking. Away from that, like I say, take the clean sheet away from home, especially.
I bet you set yourself targets as well. You made 10 clean sheets with Connah's Cei last season. That's 5 with Barri already this season.
Yeah, well, that's, like I said, that's my main objective, to keep clean sheets. Don't let the ball go in the net. It's as simple as that. So as many as them I can get throughout the season. Obviously, the happier I am, the happier the staff are, and the happier the players are. So hopefully more to come.